Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from UBS to another bank account in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your mobile banking application of UBS and then simply log in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account, simply tap on the option of payments, which will be in the bottom. So when you tap on the option of payments, you will be shown this type of a new option over here. So you just have to tap on the option of new, then you just have to select the option of payments. So whether you want to make an international payment or a domestic payment or account transfer. So after selecting the option, you just have to simply enter any payee. If the payee is already there, you just have to select the name and then simply proceed to the next step. But if you want to add the payee, you just have to select the option of enter payee, then simply add the recipient's name, their IBAN number, the payment amount, and the payment reference if it is needed. Now, after doing so, you just have to simply search for the bank and follow further instructions in order to add their bank over here. Now, before confirming, UBS also going to show you the transfer fee and the exchange rate. So you just have to simply continue and confirm your payment. After approval, the payment is going to be appeared in your payment history or in the tracking section. And UBS is going to support the payment tracking for many of the international transfers directly inside the digital banking. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.